The Crystal Guardians. In a world where magic flows through the very air, there were 4 young heroes chosen to protect the elemental crystals. Mia, Finn, Ava, and Leo were just ordinary kids until they discovered their special powers. Their journey began when an ancient prophecy foretold of dark forces seeking to harness the crystal's power for evil. With courage in their hearts, the heroes set out on a quest to safeguard the crystals and restore balance to their world. Along the way, they faced many challenges. They battled fierce monsters, navigated treacherous landscapes, and outsmarted cunning villains. But through it all, they relied on each other's strengths and never lost hope. As they reached the final crystal, they encountered the most powerful enemy yet. With teamwork and determination, they defeated the dark forces and saved their world from destruction. The moral of the story is that true strength comes from working together and believing in oneself. With bravery and friendship, anything is possible.